Donald Trump is unfit to be president. That's not a Democratic talking point. That's what Republicans and Trump's own people say about Trump. His own vice president, Mike Pence.
Anyone who puts himself over the Constitution should never be president of the United States.
His running mate, J.D. Vance.
You've said, I'm a never Trump guy. Never liked him. Terrible candidate. Idiot if you voted for him. Might be America's Hitler.
Former Republican Vice President Dick Cheney.
In our nation's 246-year history, there has never been an individual who is a greater threat to our republic than Donald Trump.
Trump's Secretary of State, Rex Tillerson.
You called the president a moron.
Trump's second Secretary of State, Mike Pompeo.
Donald Trump the other day said, if he tells a soldier to commit a war crime, the soldier will just go do it. We don't need 4 more years of that.
President Trump had classified documents where he shouldn't have had them, and then when given the opportunity to return them, he chose not to do that.
Trump's Attorney General, Bill Barr.
And this idea of presenting Trump as a victim